How to use Capitec Virtual Card. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Capitec is already installed on a device. Once it has been installed, open the app. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. So in this page, what you want to do is head over to cards at the bottom. It will show you the card that you have added. In order to use the virtual card, at the top right corner, head over to Virtual and tap on Add Virtual Card. Now you have to set the limit for your virtual card. First of all, enter the cash withdrawal limit. After that, enter the limit of card machine purchases and also the limit of phone pay. Once it has been done, tap on Next. Read the terms and policies and then click on these two checkboxes. After that, click on Accept and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use Capitec Virtual Card. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.